Hi, in this video we will show you how PDF Butler can integrate with AgentForce from Salesforce. We are using Einstein Copilot and pretending I'm an internal salesperson looking to use AgentForce to streamline my work. But of course this could be used externally as well by the client, wanting to have a revised quote and a document to sign and interacting via a chatbot on the website. Einstein in this case I'm accessing from the opportunity we're changing itself, but I could of course be busy doing something else and not wanting to navigate away. I use natural language to explain what I want, supposing I have copy-pasted my client's email address and paraphrasing what they've asked me and asked it to AgentForce. Einstein takes a moment to work out what it should do, and that's it. The customer, John Smith, receives a customizable email as they usually would, sent by PDF Butler from the salesperson's email address. Clicking Sign Document, they can see the changes requested are reflected and press Sign Now to complete the process, with further automation being able to be triggered in Salesforce, such as sending out the invoice. To find out more about how we are working with AgentForce, get in touch today. info@pdfbutler.com